Hi everyone, this is just some details about the mortgage and the insurance bit. So I thought, I'll just give a small update on what these loans are that we're talking about. What is the interest rate we expect out of it? What is the amount we expect out of it? What is the collateral that is acceptable? So this is a small video blog on the same. So I'll start off with individual loans. So home loans, if we talk about home loans, so home loans are basically for people who are looking to purchase a new property. They have some funding and they need some additional funding from the banks. That's termed as home loans. Uh, it can go up to about 80 to 90% of the collateral value in case of residential properties. The interest rate varies from 9.25 to 9.4% in today's time. Uh, you can also get a loan to buy commercial properties where the interest rate is close to about 10.3 to about 10.75% to buy commercial spaces. The LTR for that, the LTV, the loan to value ratio for that is close to about 70 to 75% in today's time. Uh, Loan against property is a product where you own a property and you need a loan against that, a mortgage against that. The interest in today's time on loan against property is close to about starting from about 10.3, starting from about 10%, and it goes up to about 10.75, 11% in case of residential properties. And in case of commercial or industrial properties, it starts from about 11 and goes up to about 12.5%. That's loan against property for you. Then if I talk about personal loans are starting from about 11% or 11.25% in today's time, goes up to about 12.5, 13%. In some cases, even 14%, depending on where you're working, what your profile is all about. Then if I talk about uh, the working capital facilities, the CC and the OD limits, banks can fund up to 100% of the collateral value as well. So let's say if you have a residential property valuing about 15 crores, some banks can look at it at about 100% of the value and give you a loan of a working capital facility of about 100% of the value as well, that is 15 crores. The rate of interest for these properties are starting from about 9.5%, 9.25% also in some cases. So a rough range would be 9% to about 11.5%, depending on the profile of the client, the collateral they are giving, and a lot of other factors as well. So clients requiring working capital facilities can go for this. Then if I come to insurance premiums again depend on the age of the client, what age he's at. Uh, the sum assured is the amount that he requires as a protection. So let's say I'm taking a term plan, or I'm taking a health insurance, and if I'm taking a health insurance and a term plan of let's say 15 lakhs, so that is a sum assured. So that is a assured sum to me in case my health depreciates, or if there is any, if my life ends. So there is a cover of that much amount in it. So that is termed as a sum assured. The premiums again depend on a lot of factors. Age is the main factor in such cases. Now if I talk about a very kind of specific to products. One, I like to talk about a smart home loan and a smart loan against property. Uh, a smart home loan and smart loan against property is a unique product which is offered in the market by very few banks. Standard Chartered, Axis Bank, SBI Bank, uh, HSBC, Citi are the only players in the market who are offering such products. In this product, what happens is they open a current account for you and they give you the loan in that current account itself. The advantage of this particular feature, this particular product is that, let's say, taking a hypothetical example, you've probably taken a loan of 50 lakhs, for example. Now, if you're using that current account on a daily basis, let's say a monthly average, you park your salaries there, you do some expenses, whatever incomes you generate, you park it in that current account. So what these banks do is they take out a daily average of your balances, the expenses that you have done, the deposits that you have done in the account. They take a daily average. They take a daily average on a monthly basis. So at the end of the month, they take an average, monthly average of the balances that you have maintained and the expenses that you have done. And let's say that average comes out to be about 5 lakhs, for example, just taking a hypothetical example. So then that 5 lakhs is deducted from the interest calculation of your loan. So what happens in this case is 50 lakh rupees of a loan is given to you. You are paying that EMI. But on a monthly average basis, you're maintaining 5 lakhs in that account. So the interest which is there, which is due on that 5 lakhs is refunded back to you. So in a nutshell, you're paying for just 45 lakhs instead of 50 lakhs of loan which you've taken. That is the advantage and the power of this smart home loan and smart lab features. Let's say you maintain some balances in your account. The average of that monthly balance is deducted from the interest rate calculation, and the interest is refunded back to the client. Hence, if you see the calculation of interest rate in these products, if you're buying a smart home loan at even at about 9.4, 9.5% in today's time, the end result is that if you end up maintaining about 10% of your loan value or even 15% of your loan value in your account, your interest rate goes down to about 5.5% on an annual basis, which is pretty good, right? At the end of it, if you're getting a loan at about 5.5 to about 6% in today's time, that's pretty good. So that's one product which I wanted to talk about. The second specific product which I wanted to talk about was a health insurance plan. This plan is by Religare. It's called Religare Care. The USPs of this plan are, I'll just highlight a few USPs of the plan. First of all, Religare has a very good claim settlement ratio. In past 3 years, it has done very well on the claim settlement part. The list of hospitals is pretty good in the Religare plan. Then it has an NCB of 150%, which is the highest in the market. So let's say if you take a cover of about 10 lakhs, your sum assured increases by 60% in the second year of your policy, again a 60% in the third year of your policy, and then 10% in the next subsequent 3 years of your policy. So in effect, if you don't take a claim in this policy for 5 years after taking the policy, your sum assured from 10 lakhs become about 25 lakhs in 5 years. That's the power of this particular product. Then the premiums are very competitive. If I talk about any other plan in the market which is comparable to the features, the premium should be at least 10 to 20% cheaper. On top of that, there is also a unique feature called an auto recharge feature. So let's say I've taken a 10 lakh cover. After 5 years, the NCB becomes 25 lakhs. Due to some circumstances, let's say I end up using the entire 25 lakhs in a particular year. What Religare people do is very interesting. They auto recharge your policy with another 10 lakhs, which is the basic sum assured that you had. So let's say it's 10 lakhs. Let's say after the first year, in the second year of the policy, I get 60% of NCB. Let's say it becomes 10 plus 6, 16 lakhs of of the cover that I have. When I exhaust this entire 16 lakhs, I have an auto recharge feature of 10 lakhs again. So in a 5-year horizon, I actually, after 5 years, I have 10 lakhs of basic sum assured, 10 lakhs of auto recharge, and 150% of the no claim bonus. So my total cover that I have is 35 lakhs at the same premium. There is no increase in the premium. So this is a very unique plan in the market. There are other plans in the market which has an auto recharge feature. This NCB of 150% is very unique to Religare. Only Religare is doing it. The other best is probably Apollo Munich, which is doing it at about 100%. So these two plans I thought I'll just kind of highlight on because we believe in these two plans, the smart home loan and LAP features, and also the Religare care plan for health insurances. So I thought I'll just make a small video blog on the same. I hope it was helpful. I hope I have given you insights on a unique proposition, and I've also given you some insights on the health insurance bit which were helpful for you in some way or the other. Do comment again. We'd like to hear from you what you feel about our recommendations, about our video blogs. And you can contact us anytime you want to, if you feel like you want any clarity on certain things. We'll be more than happy to hear from you, right? Thank you so much. Thank you for listening, and till next time, bye. Take care.